This is a 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning Lariat, black over gray two-tone leather interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, home link for your garage door, push button start, navigation, satellite radio, wireless cell phone charging, traction control, power fold-down shifter. Let's look at the rear seat. Running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, backup camera, spray-in bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by an electric motor, no gas required, and like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.